Welcome into the show tonight. I'm Brian Keating, alongside Carson Cunningham. We're going to do a sort of an end of the week crashing the boards because
got a lot to talk about, man.
So much to talk about and a lot of news, and I know a lot of people already know the big news of the day, and that is the fact that Russell Westbrook will not start in the All-Star game.
Crazy.
Yes. So,
yes.
Wherever we went for dinner tonight, anyone was, what do you think about Russell Westbrook? So we just figured we would tell you what we think. Your reaction to Russell Westbrook?
I demand a recount.
Okay.
How can a man averaging a triple-double for the first time in 50 years not start the All-Star game? Well, I'll tell you how. It's the ridiculous fan vote the NBA's had to deal with for years. They tried to stomp it out a little bit by letting the media and players vote this year, but the fan vote is what lost Russell the starting nod. And remember the fan vote? They had voted in Yao Ming.
Yep.
Zaza Pachulia, who we'll get to in a second, was top 3 in voting.
Yep.
The fan vote's absurd. Russ got the votes that matter, and Russ is gunning for his 3rd MVP, Brian, of the All-Star game. Michael Jordan only won 3. That's how good he is, and I think he'll go for it again.
Russell Westbrook has 21 triple-doubles. The rest of the Western Conference, or the NBA starting, has 19. But it's a popularity contest. And here's the thing. I'm going to kind of go the other way here. It's obviously preposterous. Russell Westbrook's been as good a player as anybody in the league. But when Russell Westbrook kind of gives the business to the media, and Russell Westbrook isn't always the nicest person to deal with, doesn't always have the big smile. In a popularity contest, things like that matter. And his attitude sometimes, he didn't care. I get it, but sometimes you lose.
He did win the media vote, though. Let's do it media more about appearances.
Fans.
Yeah.
Steph Curry, the most popular player in the league.
Steph is the anti-Russell.
So he's the anti-Russell, and look, that just kind of is.
No, that's a good point.
We've got about a minute to go. The Thunder obviously didn't beat the Warriors last night. They were competitive for a half, and then it went south. Russell got into it with Kevin. Russell got into it with Zaza Pachulia. What'd you think?
I'll tell you what Zaza's got coming. I think that was absurd. Thunder players getting criticized for not rushing in. They did rush in once they saw what happened. Enes Kanter had his back turned when it happened. He had no idea. But this is what's going to happen when Zaza comes to Oklahoma City. The Kiwi Crunch. Remember when Patrick Beverly got into it?
Yep.
Kendrick Perkins set a massive screen, knocked him on his feet. First play of the game back here February 11th. Adam's going to lay into him on a screen. Kiwi Crunch.
Russell Westbrook has no respect for how Kevin left to the best team in the league. He has no respect for Zaza Pachulia being in that. Joining the Warriors and doing it the easy way, Russell Westbrook doesn't respect him. You heard him after the game. I think you're right. Kiwi Crunch, no respect. Should be fun in February. For Carson, I'm Brian. Scratch the board.